Hi everyone. In this video, we'll talk about how a WhatsApp business account is different from a WhatsApp personal account. WhatsApp is used for personal communication, whereas WhatsApp Business is a tool that small business owners use for their product marketing, selling, and to provide customer support. Both the apps have pretty much a similar interface. So if you're a regular WhatsApp user, you just need a minute or two to use WhatsApp Business account. So here is the difference. First is design and platform. Both WhatsApp apps share the same platform for one-to-one communication. It also shares the same design guidelines, but both apps have different logos. App charges. In the beginning, there were annual subscription charges for WhatsApp. After Facebook developed Messenger, they decided to drop the annual subscription fee. Now you can easily download both apps free of cost. WhatsApp is available on Google Play Store and Apple Store. Messaging capabilities. As long as you stand by WhatsApp guidelines, companies and individuals are free to send unlimited messages in any format, such as audio, video, file attachments. You can even broadcast messages up to 256 contacts in one go. The same limit is used in adding members to a group on both apps. Multimedia shareability. Both the apps support attaching audio-visual files, sharing documents, location, and contact details. WhatsApp Business contains up to 30 items from a business stock. It allows your customer to shop conversationally. Along with that, the product is displayed in a product detail page in PDF format. Easy payment option. In 2020, WhatsApp has launched an in-chat payment option. With a single notification, you can directly make payments from WhatsApp via UPI. It's a reminder to collect payments. This feature is accessible on both platforms. WhatsApp eases the apps in providing an end-to-end shopping solution to users. Message statistics. With the help of a message statistics report, you get a detailed analysis of WhatsApp Business. You can check the app's predefined metrics such as the number of messages sent, delivered, read, and received. Message statistics is an important element for business owners. It also analyzes account performance from the dashboard. While in WhatsApp Personal, the message statistics report is small. So these WhatsApp business tools are useful for business owners to grow their business in the market as well as to communicate with customers and manage them. Now that you've all understood the difference between a WhatsApp business account and WhatsApp personal account, I hope you found this video helpful. So do like and share this video and press the subscribe button to never miss the updates.